Hello and welcome to another episode of The Average EV. Today I'm going to show you how to set up plug and charge on your 2023 Volkswagen ID.4. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you have not heard, Volkswagen has enabled plug and charge on the 2023 Volkswagen ID.4s, and they did this with some sort of connection with the 2023 Volkswagen ID.4 free charging plan. So basically they sent out an email and you follow the directions on the email. So I'm going to explain how to do that here and then a couple other things I've learned along the way. Before I get into the rest of the video, I just wanted to say that this currently is just for 2023 Volkswagen ID.4s. I imagine the process will be very similar for 2021s and 2022s, but maybe a little bit different because some of those plans might expire or you might pick up a used one that doesn't have the plan anymore. But anyways, hopefully that information will be true later for those. If not, I will make a separate video to help those ID.4 owners. So let's get into it. So basically what you do is you go into the Electrify America app, you go to plans. Under plans, you will select the 30-minute free charging Electrify America 2023 ID.4 plan. You click on that, and then you'll now see somewhere that says plug and charge, and it will say enroll or activate, something like that. You click on that, and then you follow the directions, you approve everything, and then what will happen is it takes a little bit of time. It took like 5 minutes for me, but I think some people have had it take a little bit longer. I'd love to hear how long it takes for you to activate it down below. But anyways, once you do that and you exit and come back in, it will say enrolled, which means with Electrify America, you are enrolled. So that is the first big step. Now for me, I did that. I went to Electrify America, I plugged in and it worked. And then literally the next day or maybe 2 days later, I plugged in and it didn't work. And what happened was Volkswagen kind of rolled out what I call a micro update. I don't know if you've noticed like little weird things change about your ID.4 over time, but that's because they've been pushing out little updates that they don't really tell you about. Sometimes it'll say like there are new settings available. Those are the little micro updates. Anyways, they pushed out one for this and they didn't tell anybody that it was like really important because you have to do this so you can now use plug and charge at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around and show you in the infotainment what you need to do to set up plug and charge on your car, and then you can flawlessly, hopefully, use plug and charge with the Electrify America charging network. All right, everybody, here is the beautiful infotainment of the Volkswagen ID.4. What you're going to do is go to charging. I have charging here, but if you click on the waffle, click on charging, and there it is. Then what you do is you go to settings, and under settings, you'll now see plug and charge. I actually went to one of my old videos to make sure I didn't lose my mind. This was not here before. It is now here, which is fine. If you are the primary user, you can click this and then accept and it will work. If you're a secondary user, I'm actually a secondary user because this is my wife's car. You have to be on the primary user to be able to change the setting. So it'll tell you that, but I thought I would throw that in here anyways. So you go in here, you click that, and then it'll activate for you. And now when you go into plug in at an Electrify America station, it will actually work. I was actually losing my mind because I had activated it. It had worked before, and then I went again and I went to plug in and it didn't work. And I'm like, what is going on? I just thought that was something wrong with EA. And actually it was like kind of my fault, but also kind of Volkswagen's fault because they didn't tell me that they added this step, but whatever. That's how you do it. Super easy, super simple, and something you can do very quickly. So again, that is it. That is how you get plug and charge to work on your Volkswagen ID.4. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below. And again, if you haven't already, please give a like, a subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will catch you all next time.